Tired of complicated international transfers? Let's simplify paying anyone in Switzerland using their NIB with your Revolut account in this quick tutorial. First things first, open your Revolut app and tap on the transfers icon usually located at the bottom of your screen. This is your gateway to sending money. Next, select Add a Bank Recipient. This option lets you manually input the recipient's bank details. Choose Switzerland as the country. This ensures Revolut knows you're making a local transfer within Switzerland. Now, the crucial part, select National ID as the account type. This indicates you'll be using the recipient's NIB. Enter the recipient's full name, their 9-digit NIB number, and their full address. Double-check that you have entered everything correctly to avoid delays or failed transfers. Enter the amount you wish to send in Swiss francs CHF. Also, you can see the exchange rate between your local funds and CHF funds so you know the exact amount to send. Review all the details carefully one last time. Make sure the recipient's name, NIB, and the amount are all correct. Tap Send, authenticate with your passcode or biometric ID, and you're done. You've successfully made a payment using NIB in Switzerland with Revolut. Happy transacting.